Hello, my name is Luis Lumbreras. Thank you for joining me. I will be showing you today how to create paracord quick release bracelet. This is just real quick, small, just to show. You'll need a lighter and some scissors, okay? Take one loop. Get this side here, go around and back and down, just like that. This one we're gonna go behind and through the loop. All right, now you can just start to shimmy it in. All right, so now we'll just flip it upside down. Bring this side down. Make a loop on the left side. Take the strand here and let's just go around and through. Okay, now get this end, create another loop, put it through, and then pull this one tight from here. There you go. Just like that. Repeat the length of your bracelet. Now at this point, let's just assume this was your full bracelet length. Let's end it by putting this through. And because we want it to be a quick release, we're not gonna do anything extreme here, so we'll just make a loop and put this through, just like that. And let's say this was your full bracelet, and you just clip it onto your wrist like that. With this one here, say this is your full bracelet, it's longer, you're on the fly, you need this. The only one that you really have to worry about is that last one here. Just like that, pull that out, and then the rest is quick release. So you should be able to pull and it unravels. And that's how to make a quick release Sinnet bracelet. Thank you for joining me, and you have a good day.